DealSeek app, is it worth it? Short answer, yes. It is free to download. It is worth it if you frequently shop online, especially on Amazon, and want free coupon and price drop checks. Skip it if you rarely shop online or dislike deal notifications. Here's everything you need to know in 2 minutes. Here are the 3 things that actually matter about this app. 1. It is free with a 4.9 out of 5 rating from 62,000 App Store ratings and more than 3 million reported downloads. DealSeek also says deals are checked using automated scans and human review. 2. Not every deal means extra savings. Users report failed promo codes, hard to find coupons, and listings where the displayed price is simply the current sale price. 3. There's a privacy trade-off. Apple says contact information, identifiers, and usage data may be used to track users across apps and websites. Now let me show you how DealSeek compares with another free deal app. Slick Deals is also free, but it covers more retailers and relies heavily on community-submitted deals. DealSeek focuses heavily on Amazon, while also listing offers from Walmart, eBay, Target, and other retailers. The app supports iPhone and iPad, with iOS 15.1 or later required, and Android is supported too. There's no required subscription, so installing it costs nothing. However, DealSeek earns affiliate commissions when users purchase through qualifying links. That does not prove that the deal is bad, but it is worth knowing before trusting every recommendation. Reviews are generally positive, but some users report irrelevant notifications, failed codes, and problems with certain links. So is the DealSeek app worth it? Yes. It is worth installing if online shopping is frequent and checking deals takes little effort. Slick Deals may be better for broader retailer coverage, but DealSeek is free and easy to try. That is a full breakdown.